let me tell you what's in the box. It's markers and a notebook. Now, every project starts with inspiration, so let's find it.
It's so baby, how you turn it around. I can seem to find a way to hunt you down. What's the matter, lady? Why you're acting crazy? I can make it alright, I can make it alright.
Well, it's the next day. I was supposed to transfer the image onto this, but it's crooked. So, let's fix it. Now, I gotta put on the fabric. It's time to make sure that I have all the colors that I need for this project. So right now I am looking for the color black, and unfortunately I don't have it. So I go to Joann's, and thankfully they have it. Then I start tufting away, and it was really easy at first. All I'm doing is outlining, or as Gox would call it, sexy lines. And here's how it looks. But now, it's time for color. I chose pink because there's very little of it in the project, so I might as well get the flowers done first. And as I'm doing that, I get a reminder.
Reminder that your flight is at 4 p.m. today.
No. Luckily, I was able to make it on time. So, here's the trip.
Oh, can it be that you're here with me? Let's start writing our own history.
As soon as I got home, I got back to the project.
Thank you for patiently waiting. You're now witnessing greatness. You're now looking at two aces that's awe and amazement, more than standing ovation. Raw results for the taking, mega rev back, do our thing, don't go with the latest. You know how it goes. They tell me quit, but I'm too lit. Make moves, no excuses. The truth is the shoe fits. These rap cats wearing rap caps, but I'm prudent. I'm seeing through the lies. I ain't foolish. I know how them Judases make a moves quietly kept. I got away, but you silently slept. Man, I never forget. I got my reps up and I stepped up. We got now, we don't want the next up, cause you know what we after. Greatness only, dog. You can keep the fame, man, you know what we after. Never break who we are. You can keep the change, man, you know what we after. Greatness, intensity, slowly. Watch how we tell our story, you know what we after. Nothing I do is below me. You can keep the fame and the glory, you know what we after.
Now I'm gonna put the super hot volcanic glue on the back of this project. Essentially, we're gonna have to wait a day or so.
Watch how we tell our story, you know what we after. Nothing I do is below me. You can keep the fame and the glory, you know what we after. Greatness, really got nothing to lose. I am
Now, the project is finished. I hope you enjoy.